Can you actually solve this problem correctly on your first try? Take a moment and don't rush. Most people confidently blurting out the answer within seconds end up making a tiny careless mistake that ruins the entire calculation. Many math puzzles look incredibly simple at first glance, but the real challenge lies in following the precise rules. If you've ever been 100% sure of an answer, only to realize later that a small detail slipped right past you, you know exactly what I mean. That's why analyzing every single step is crucial. In this video, we're going to break this problem down step by step. This way, you can follow along, test your logic, and see if your method holds up. Whether you are a student preparing for an exam or just someone looking to keep your brain sharp, I highly recommend watching until the very end. As we go through it, try to solve it in your head and predict what the next step should be. If you get it right, it's a testament to your strong analytical skills. But if your answer is different, don't worry at all. Average students try to memorize answers, but successful students focus on mastering the method. Once you grasp the core logic, even the toughest problems become effortless. By now, you've probably locked in your final answer. Keep watching, because in just a few moments, we'll see if your approach was flawless. Before we reveal the steps, if you love challenging your brain and want to level up your mental math skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We share engaging puzzles, math challenges, and clever shortcuts here every single day. Now let's jump straight into the solution and find out what the correct answer really is.